learning about exploring new things, learning new things and getting to know new things. And I'm gonna also tell you about a little bit of life saving skills. Well, as you know that the world is progressing and it is essential for adults and grown-ups to know life-saving skills, and it is also essential for kids to know life-saving skills. Well, if you know life-saving skills, you can it can save you from a lot of trouble. Well, life-saving skills include cleaning your house and a lot of activities like that. And let's get started with it. From this day on, you're gonna know how to use the modern tools. Well, the modern tools are easy to use, and in this channel, you're gonna learn how to use your kitchen accessories and how to use other accessories like a washing machine. A lot of people don't know how to use it, so this is gonna be easy. Well, let's get started with the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a wired and wireless microphone. Well, these are easy to use. I'm not going to make a video of it but when I saw the comments down the product in a marketing app, I had to make a video on it. Well, there was a lot of comments that these mic don't work, it's a waste of money, and I'm going to be telling you how to make it not waste of money. Well, I got these from Garage, and I think Garage and Amazon has a lot of difference. I think that Amazon is expensive and Garage is not that expensive, but let's get started with the video. First, let's open the wireless microphone because I just like the look of it. It's a K8 wireless microphone. Well, let's open this. It has a user's manual at the first, and it's written in Chinese. Oh, it's also written in English at one side. So let's put this away. Here's the mic. Here is the receiver, and I think it has this thing you have to connect to the phone, and it also has a clip. You can attach it to it, like a tie or something like that. Well, this thing is for an iPhone and a C-type cable. So it's super easy to use. I'm gonna be telling you about it later in the video. So let's see if this thing is bigger than a normal charger cable. Well, let's see what's in there. Oh, it's a cable. It's not that big, but it's big enough. And let's see what else it has in the wired one. Let's get started on the wired one. Let's open this one. Oh, there's a long cable, I think. Let's open and see how long this cable can go. It's about a meter long. It's fine. I'm using it right now. See? And when you're sitting, the lavalier mic is the best. And when you're working, the wireless microphone is the best. Well, now I'm going to be showing you how to use this. It's 7 easy steps. First step, you have to go to your Play Store and Second step, you have to search the open camera. Then you have to download it. When you have downloaded it, you have to go to its settings. And when you have gone to its settings, scroll down and you have found video settings. You have to press it. Then you have to scroll down again and you're gonna find audio source. And when you click the audio source, there are gonna be 6 options on your screen. And the second option is going to be the external mic is present. You're gonna click that option and then your microphone is good to go. Every time your microphone, wireless microphone is good to go on that. I'll be showing you these 7 easy steps. Firstly, you have to go to your Play Store. And then you have to write there open camera. I already wrote it, so click it. You have to install this open camera. When you install it, you're gonna open it. I already installed it, so I'm gonna open it. You have to go to its settings and you have to scroll down. There are gonna be video settings. You have to click that and then you scroll down. You're gonna find audio source. You have to click it. It's gonna be the first one, camcorder. You have to click the second one, external mic is present. When you click the external mic is present, your microphone. Now I have showed you how to access your microphone, and now proceed on with your mobile phone and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to watch the latest videos of Click Chemistry.